What's good, YouTube? Got Trey's back with another recap. Oops. So today, initially I was looking for longs. So we had London low that we initially swept. That was the main target. Then go back up, take out London and Asia high. Since we had both of those resting, we also had this gap that I thought would get filled in after we swept out some liquidity here. But really the main goal was Asia, London, and potentially this gap that leaves. So on open, check it out. Obviously, if we go to the higher time frame, we did have this gap here, but we were forming the swing 6, 7, 8. We had a good candle 2 here. We had expansion, so I'm expecting some sort of expansion, or at least another candle 2 formation in here to trade to. I really didn't expect this gap to hold. Obviously same target, but it did. We tapped into it and it did end up holding. I don't think we had anything on the 4 hour. No. Yeah, the 4 hour was closing. It looked like a candle 2 here, and then on the 1 hour it also looked like a candle 2 at the time that I entered. Obviously the candle wasn't completely formed yet, so I was okay with that. I waited because we did have a couple gaps. We had 2 gaps on NQ, 2 5-minute gaps. We also had I think 1 3-minute gap here. Yeah, well 2. So we closed above here, had our CSD, disrespected its breaker, not breaker, disrespected its order block, closed above it. I got in on the CSD on the 3, which was also the inversion on the 5. With my stop being kind of tight, I mean relatively. The base, the up close candles ended up getting stopped out. Made a bearish breaker block on the 3. Turned it down. Then we had this huge move down to 10. Took out daily low, disrespected our support that's been holding for literally the entire week. So at that point I was like, okay, we disrespect this, we're definitely going to them, right? So I waited. We had this gap that was within the support level that we broke through, so we retapped using support as resistance. We closed out, had a positional entry at the CSD on the 5, and I was comfortable taking this because we also had our daily draw of liquidity on ES to take still. We had SMT with YM, so I was comfortable taking this. Put this down when ES hit daily low. That's when I closed my position. That was really it, I guess, for this initial long. Like, I love this long, right? But you zoomed out, I guess. We did have an hourly gap. We were also in a 30, so it makes sense. And we also had SMT to the upside right here too, so I was really, on board with this move. But like I said, we had a lot of bearish higher time frame PD arrays, and that's most likely why. Down on the week, down on the month. But yeah, not too stressed about it. Just gonna keep refining. Stay disciplined, stick with the plan. Yeah, see y'all next week.